I'm a mom, and I care about my family's health. My daughter often gets nosebleeds or a cough during the dry season. Without a humidifier, you're risking bloody noses, dry throats, even the flu. VicTsing is a noiseless, powerful, easy-to-clean humidifier that helps me protect my family against the problems of the dry season. The 2-liter tank and multiple speed settings help me control the humidity in the house. And the powerful mist output ensures that the room is comfortable within minutes. Shh! Kids don't like noises when they're sleeping. Luckily, this product is silent. Many humidifiers are difficult to clean and refill, but the VicTsing humidifier is different. The large tank mouth makes it easy to clean and disinfect, which helps me prevent bacteria growth and protect my family.
Hi everyone. Let's look at 3 common types of humidifiers available in the market. Steam humidifier boils water and releases steam vapor into the air. It can cover a large space efficiently, but it can be noisy for some people. Evaporative humidifier is relatively quiet, but it uses filters which require routine cleaning or replacing, and this could be a hassle. Are you looking for a super quiet humidifier? Then an ultrasonic humidifier is your go-to. Here's how it works. Water goes down from the tank to the base, where a metal plate vibrates at an ultrasonic frequency in order to create water droplets. Then a silent fan pushes the mist out into the room. These devices are good for single rooms such as bedrooms, nurseries, office, and others. But it comes with a trade-off. You'll have more white dust if you use tap water. How do you choose a humidifier? Humidifiers come in all shapes and colors, fit for a variety of rooms. Many doctors recommend you to buy one, but where do you start? First, consider the size of your room. Your goal is to achieve a humidity level between 40 and 60% according to the EPA. The small humidifiers, like those with half gallon, work perfectly for rooms up to 300 square feet, whereas the 1 gallon is best for large spaces like 500 plus feet. Also, working duration depends on the tank capacity and the mist output, so technically speaking, lower mist works for longer hours with one fill. For a better experience, you might want to consider these features. Cool mist or warm mist? Is it noisy? Is it easy to clean? Can I shut off all the lights in my bedroom? Can I use essential oils? Does it have a night light, timer, or a motor? Will it automatically shut off when the water runs out? Sometimes you might consider a built-in humidity monitor or a humidistat. So choose a humidifier that's best for you and your family and have a great easy breathing season. Okay, so then what's the best humidifier out there? In this list we give you a pretty good place to start. The recommended humidifiers by TaoTronics. For large rooms, bigger tank capacity with at least 4 liters is best. For small to medium rooms like the bedroom, 2 liters units are the best because they fit comfortably in the nightstand.
3.
Before enjoying the purified air, make sure you place the humidifier on a flat, waterproof surface and keep a distance from floor and wall. You should not place it on a carpet or a towel, as it will block the air inlet and cause low misting. After finishing the check, you are ready to enjoy the humidified air. Press to switch between high and low misting. Press for 1.5 seconds, enter sleep mode. Now the light and button B are both turned off. Take up the water tank and pour water out. Pour vinegar in and vinegar and water proportion is 1.4 and then shake it. Pour vinegar out and clean it with clean water again. Take up the nozzle and wash it. Clean the mist tube with soft cloth. Clean the tank cap and clear out stop between gap. Check if the silicone cap O-ring and spring are installed back after cleaning. This is important to avoid leaking. Clean the base with brush. Clean the atomizer to ensure it will work properly. It is recommended to clean the humidifier once a week.
Four. 5. Seven. 8. 9.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
10.